Good morning, guys. The sun is up and coffee's down. Today I'm going to Hokkaido, which is an island up north of Japan, which probably has the best ski in the world. We'll figure out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And by the way, I feel so annoying out here in Japan because everyone really appreciates their silence, and then a random dude like me is just walking around with a camera in his hand and talking. Like, come on. And I officially landed here in Hokkaido. Right now I'm in Utaro station and going to Niseko. It's a bit messy because I was sleeping in the train. I was so tired today, and then suddenly the train just stops out of nowhere, in the middle of nowhere. And I was opening my eyes, looking up, and everything was just white. Like, couldn't see anything. And then I was like, damn, it's a snowstorm. I got a warning on my phone as well, and I thought this is gonna be a bad decision going here all by myself to Hokkaido. But right now it's clearing up and the sun is shining, so we're happy, and we're going there to have some fun in the powder. Let's go. And we are back, Winter Wonderland, baby. Okay, so I arrived very late out here in Moiwa, staying at Moiwa's lodge. Very cozy place. I'm just gonna show you in a moment. And now I'm heading up for getting my ski rentals, and then just hit the slopes. Today is like powering down. I can't wait to get up there. It's gonna be so fucking epic. Let's go, man. After a great day of skiing, you of course have to do the onsen experience, which is these outdoor hot springs in Japan. They are everywhere, especially up here in Hokkaido, where you are powder skiing. You have to do it. It's like so relieving to do it after a full day of powder skiing, and your body just feels so much more ready for the next day. So in the hot springs, the facilities are gender separated, and that means you will go in butt naked, and everything that happens in there of course stays in there. No, your body really feels so relaxed after it, and honestly I could fall asleep in there. But yeah, I'm so ready to go home, sleep, and be ready for tomorrow skiing. Another epic skiing day. And good morning, guys. Day 2 here in Niseko, Moiwa Lodge, Moiwa Ski Resort. Today I'm just heading for the Moiwa skiing slopes here, as it's just so much easier and accessible compared to the other ones. And it's much more quiet here. So this is for you who just want the quiet slopes where there are not too many crowds or schools, and you can just get the lifts very easily without having to stay in lines for like 10 minutes or more. And yeah, today I'll just go by myself and see if I can catch the other guys later. Right now I just got fucking all this powder for myself. There is fucking awesome. Woo! This is insane, guys. Let's fucking do it. Madre mia. All right, guys, I'm back here with my buddy Angelo from the States, going out here to try the night skiing out. What do you think of it, man?
Lots of powder.
Lots of powder.
Unbelievable.
We fucking love it, and we got it all to ourselves. So now we are skiing back to the lodge on the main road, and obviously the night skiing is such a beautiful experience. Yeah, there's so much power, and you got it all for yourself again. I mean, and then it's lit up, so it's just like this good atmosphere about it, which we really love. Definitely a recommendation, family. Let's go. Yes, guys, that pretty much sums up the 3 days in Hokkaido, with 1 day of skiing in Grand Hirafu and 1 day of skiing in Moiwa, with the night skiing in Anupuri. And this guy still follows me around, like this American guy. Not sure how to get rid of him, but he's there and he's awesome. Yeah. How do you rate the skiing? Was it worth the hype?
Yeah, it's incredible.
Good powder, right?
Yeah, it's so good.
Definitely going back there for a few more days, in some years probably. Yeah, big recommendation from here. All right, guys, see you in the next episode.